Hi, welcome to our Music Theory Gym Coaching. Today's sharing will be on time values. Let's turn with me to Music Theory Gym Grade 1. When you turn to page 4 and 5, this is our smart chart from the chapter Rhythm. And the title of this chapter is Adventure by the River of Rhythm. Read through this page carefully. You will get a lot of very interesting information. Now let's zoom into this corner of notes, rest, and time names. Could you see that? The notes are written in the order from the biggest to the smallest, with its rest and time names. And very interestingly, it is decorated and illustrated with this different sizes of eggs from big to small. And when you turn to the other page on page 6, we will explain more on time values. So what is time value? Time value shows how many counts a note lasts. So here are the most commonly used notes: semi-brief, medium, crotchet, and quiver. And from this smart chart, we have summarized the relationship of the notes' time names as well as the time values. Not to forget, try to see the duration. That means we try to visualize how long the note sounds. So let's refer to the chart here, visualizations of sound. So out of here, all the notes here, semi-brief last the longest, 4 counts, and in quiver lasts for half a count, so it is shortest here from this page. Let's move back to our page 5 from the smart chart. Could you see the time values at the top corner? Longest to the shortest, and below is the shortest to the longest. Let me elaborate a little bit more how you use this to tackle the questions. One of the very commonly asked questions from this chapter, from question 1.6, will be tick one box which shows the 4 notes written in order from the longest value to the shortest. You may use this chart to do your workout. Read the question carefully. Let's put a star on the notes that you see here: a semi-brief, a medium, a dotted quiver, as well as a crotchet. Now, read this from the longest to the shortest. So which of this is the correct answer? A semi-brief, a medium, a crotchet, and a quiver. You are right. Let's try another question. Well, you have a medium, crotchet, a quiver, and a semi-quiver. How about put a star on the notes? A medium, a crotchet, and a quiver, and a semi-quiver. Now, let's read this from the longest to the shortest and find your answer. You're right. This is your answer. Let's try another question. Read the question carefully. Tick one box which show the 4 notes written in order from the shortest to the longest. Read carefully again. The question has changed your shortest value to the longest value. So you might want to refer to another chart, which is shortest to the longest. That's right. Okay, now let's put a star on the notes that appear from the question. The first is a semi-quiver, and you have a medium, and you have a quiver as well as a semi-brief. Now let's check the answer from the shortest to the longest. And here is your answer. That's right. So hope this coaching is helpful for your learning. Cheers!